Hi, thank you for picking up Feng Shui Campus online. My name is Jensen, and I'm here to help you to set up for those who are doing it yourself. Okay, let's go into it. It's very simple if you're using the WordPress. Once you're in the WordPress, all you need to do is just log into your WordPress. Once you log in, all you need to do, go and create a new page. You search for the page here and create add new. Then the next thing is that you just give this page a name. Okay, so maybe I call it Feng Shui Campus, and I need to install the HTML code that we are giving to you. You need to set up using custom HTML code. So custom HTML, and you just copy and paste the link I given to you. That's it, is all you need. But before you set up, there's one more things to go. Is on the right hand side, click on documents and do some adjustment, because there are certain website that you might not want to have a sidebar. So for me, is I do not want to have a sidebar, so I remove the sidebar. If not, the campus will look very small. Then at the same time, for the template I'm going to use, whether I'm going to use the default or I'm going to use the custom. So right now I'm using Elementor as my website builder. So I'm using this full width as my custom site. So everything I set it, all I need to do, I just do a publish it out. So in case that you find your shape of your website you don't like it, you can always make changes at the height here. You can just change a pixel. Okay, now let me see how my website looks like. This is how my new campus website. Okay, that's it. So that's how I set up my website, easy and fast, in less than 10 minutes. Should you have any problem, always write back to me on the email that we just received, and we are very happy to reply back you. Okay, thank you, and this is Jensen. Bye.